Cocomelon'ның мындай busy books деген кітабы бар екен. Соны бүгін бірге оқиық. Сонымен JJ, his brother Tom, and sister Yo-Yo welcome you to their home. Tom helps his little brother and sister learn and grow. Artistic Yo-Yo makes creative crafts. Little JJ is eager to learn about lots and lots of things. Say hello to JJ's mom and dad. So these are JJ's mom and dad. Mom does a great job keeping 3 active youngsters busy. Dad is silly and makes the family smile. He loves taking the family on adventures. Bingo loves to play and bark and bark and bark. This is Bingo. Okay, so who are this? The Green family lives next door to JJ's house. Their son, Cody, goes to nursery with JJ. Cody's mom, Tony, is a pediatrician. That's a doctor for children. His father, Wayne, is a chef. He wears a tall white hat. This is Cody, yeah? Cody is JJ's best friend. They're a pair of enormously curious boys. He wants to learn absolutely everything he can about dinosaurs. Cody loves to bring his cuddly green dino with him wherever he goes. Okay, so next one. This is the yellow bus. The yellow school bus brings JJ, Yo-Yo, and Tom to school. But wait, looks like Kiki the kitten, Bobo the bear, Ella the elephant, and Peppa the pig are along for the ride. That's a bus full of fun. Oh, Tom and JJ love to sing. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Keep singing the song. Do you know this song? Okay. Oh, who is this? The school bus leaves JJ at the Melon Patch Academy. His teacher, Miss Appleberry, says a warm hello as the students walk into the classroom. She's very kind and makes learning numbers, letters, and more so much fun. JJ is always so happy to see his friends Nina and Nico. It's great to learn and play together. They love all the songs to sing, crafts to create, and great games. What do you like most at school? Okay. Everyone to the playground. JJ has the blue and white striped hula hoop. He wiggles his hips round and round and side to side. Cody and Bella cheer him on. Wow, JJ has the hoop spinning around his waist. Sissy likes to learn to do ballet. She holds her arms out to balance on one foot. Good for you. Nina thinks the two of them should twirl like tops together. Why do you think we'll get the giggles first? Okay, so it's a beautiful day in Cocomelon. JJ is all set for more adventures and fun with his family and friends. He loves being at nursery to learn, play, sing, tell tales, and explore his wonderful world. Join him! Bye-bye!